Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Let's start our topic. Staying motivated on a diet plan can be challenging, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can increase your chances of success. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated on your diet plan. 1. Set realistic and achievable goals. Start by setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Break down your larger goal into smaller milestones that you can achieve along the way. This will help you stay motivated as you experience a sense of accomplishment with each milestone reached. 2. Find your why. Identify your reasons for wanting to follow a diet plan. Whether it's improving your health, increasing energy levels, or fitting into a specific outfit, understanding your motivation will help you stay focused during challenging times. 3. Create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and encourage your progress. Share your plans with friends and family so they can provide the necessary support and hold you accountable. Avoid environments or situations that might tempt you to deviate from your diet plan. 4. Plan and prepare your meals. Plan your meals in advance and prepare them at home whenever possible. This way, you have more control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Experiment with new recipes and make your meals enjoyable to avoid feeling deprived. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining overall health and staying on track with your diet. Sometimes, dehydration can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Keep a water bottle with you and make it a habit to sip water regularly. 6. Track your progress. Keep a record of your food intake, exercise routines, and any measurements or changes you observe. Seeing your progress over time can be incredibly motivating and provide a sense of achievement. There are many mobile apps and online tools available to help you track your diet and fitness goals. 7. Reward yourself. Set up a system of rewards for achieving your goals. However, make sure your rewards are not food-related. Treat yourself to a new workout outfit, a massage, a day off, or something else that aligns with your interests and motivates you to keep going. 8. Find inspiration. Seek out inspirational stories, quotes, or images that resonate with your goals. Follow social media accounts or join online communities where people share their weight loss or healthy living journeys. Seeing others succeed can provide the motivation and encouragement you need. 9. Practice self-compassion. Remember that progress is not always linear, and setbacks may happen. If you have a slip-up or a bad day, be kind to yourself and don't let it derail your entire diet plan. Learn from the experience and refocus on your goals. 10. Seek professional guidance if needed. If you're struggling to stay motivated or if you have specific dietary needs, consider consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist. They can provide personalized advice, meal plans, and additional support to keep you motivated and on track. Remember, motivation can fluctuate, but developing discipline and creating sustainable habits will lead to long-term success. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories along the way, and focus on adopting a healthy lifestyle rather than solely chasing a number on the scale. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks.